we're about to see if we can potty train Theo. So I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Man, potty training is going a little slow. We have one of these little things that goes on the toilet as a little potty trainer so that we don't have like a separate bucket that catches it, which is kind of gross. But I picked up this because it is a seat that goes over the toilet, but it also apparently will have a little ladder so that hopefully if he does get potty trained, he'll just climb up on his own and use the toilet. So what I want to do is put this thing together here and see if it actually works. So looks like we've got some serious instructions right there. So let's start assembling. All right, the first thing you have to do is put these armrests into the seat. These just clip in right here, I think. And then one on this side, one on that side. Then you're going to put on this backrest right there. Looks like a little bear. It says to install anti-slip things. I think they are just these little silicone pieces. So you would put one in here, and then one here in the front. Okay, there's a footrest here with little feet on it, but then there's this lower ledge here that they're going to step up on. As you can see, we have some legs that have to get attached there. So this piece will go here, and you're just going to push these in. You can see the little openings right there. So those little anti-slip pads are going to go in each of these as well. So we'll get this lower step complete and assembled. All right, we have to put together some of these supports. There are B's and there are A's, and the A will go with a B. So I'm guessing just goes like this. You can see you can push them right into each other here. So I'm going to put all the A's and B's together. Here's one, and here's one more. So just like that, clips into the protrusion there. And now these supports will go into the bottom here, but the A portion has to be forward. So the A portion is going to go towards the step there, and then you just push these in, I think, just like that. And the same here, A portion right there is going to go towards that front. There we go. Then we are going to take the foot pad right here, and that goes on top just like that. And now we take these supports, and these supports will go in here like this. And you can see we have this opening, and that is what's going to go in there. So it looks like we'll have some of these plugs here to adjust this for the height of your toilet. But these two things will go in there just like that. All right, so what I realized is there's this sleeve and then this screw, and the bolt basically goes in the sleeve. So I've got it on the top here, but what I realized on the bottom, what you want to do is you want to lift this arm up pretty much as far as it can go and just make sure that this is going to fit your toilet. And then if you're going to do any adjustment, do it down here before you put these in. And then lastly, you are going to just attach this nice soft cushion seat for the comfort of your child's bum onto the top right there. And then we will see if we can get to the potty training. And it looks like you're using it, so it looks like it works. Hey, if you want to pick up this potty training toilet for your toddler, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda and Theo out.